I'm back. I'm back. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening. Good night. Good morning, wherever you are. This is Sleepy Bull with another episode of Wave Watch. And today we are watching Total 2. So if you've been, let me switch this to the 2-week. I prefer the 2-week chart just because it's a little bit more, I want to say, it's slower. You get a bigger picture, more like a bird's eye view of things. And now that I see that, it looks like this one actually started off way over here. That changes things. Let me see if that coincides with the measurement for wave 5 and would you look at that? Would you look at that right there, right on the money? Wave 5 on Total 2. That was the super cycle top for wave 5. There you have it. Wave 5 is wave 1. Or rather, wave 5 equals to wave 1. So we've been watching this here, folks, for 4 weeks, roughly a full month, 2, 4, 6 weeks, maybe 6 weeks. And when we first started watching this, we thought that this was a triangle that was going to break to the downside. An A, B, C, D triangle that was going to break to the downside. But in actuality, if this was a triangle, a symmetrical triangle, it broke to the upside. But then I noticed that we have almost a perfect linear resistance here, horizontal resistance here. So it occurred to me that maybe it's not a symmetrical ABC. Maybe it's actually a what do they call this? A right angle triangle. So it's A, B, C, D, E. And, these are classic wave theory formations. This is a bear market wave theory triangle. Got a downside followed by consolidation in wave B formation, or wave X as in WX, followed by wave Y down. And I expect it to go down here, or it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, I think this is an X just because you have an A, B, C here. Let's see here. Yeah, this is an ABC, guys. That's what this is. This is an ABC. And pardon me, I'm getting a little excited here. This is the most exciting part of the journey. We're down to the wire. It's either we make it or we break it. And it's exhibiting all the classic signs of a fifth wave extended. We take a pause on the fourth wave to go further down to the second wave of the extended fifth. It's the fifth wave. These are currencies, digital currencies. Currencies typically have extended fifth waves in wave theory. Commodities, excuse me. So it looks like the market is treating these currencies as a commodity. So I do expect the CFTC to start regulating this. I mean, this is incredible. this pump created so much FOMO. It's just unbelievable, and everyone believes we're going to keep going higher, but we had significantly strong rejection right here. Let's just look at the daily candles. Look at this. Look at this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at the fibs. Right there. It overshot the 4236. I believe that's the 4618. Yep, that's the 4618. Maybe even the 5. Exhausted wave. We're going to collapse. At least that's what I think. It's WXY. WXY. Alright, yeah, that's a W. That's an X. A Y to the 2618. Look at that. And by the way, these are allowed. 2618 extensions on the C wave are allowed in wave theory. It's only during very emotional markets that they are allowed. And so, I mean, can you say that this was an emotional market? Yes, you can. So I'll label this ABC here. And I mean, I don't know what else to say, folks. Keep your wallets loose and get ready to buy the coming dip. That's the best I can say. Of course, not financial advice. None of this is ever any financial advice. But I do believe we're going to get one of the biggest dips. I mean, in a minute. And I think, you know, this will be perpetuated by the stock market, but it remains to be seen. I'm not sure what's exactly going to play out over there, just because it looks good. But I mean, the stock market fundamentally, on the, when you take a look at the fundamentals, doesn't look good. When you take a look at the technicals, the stock market looks strong. Wave theory says otherwise, but you could have a bull case and a bear case, but I lean more towards the bear case. Excuse me. And yeah, we'll see what plays out, but this is my count, guys. I'm leaning with the bear count, unless of course you guys want to do a bullish count. Let's see what I could pull up here. Excuse me. Where's my count? There we go. Let's hide this bear count. Well, don't mind me while I just regroup my bear count. I can't paste. Excuse me, guys, 1 second. Okay, I'm back, guys. Alright, so this is going to be the bull count. Yeah, for those of you who are bullish, I want to show you what could be the potential count. Just a ABC down, ABC up, WXY 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're off to 3 if that's the case. Notice here this is a WXY down, as here we actually do have a lower low. You see that right there? It's a lower low for sure. This is higher than this. And so, yeah, that's the bull count. Hopefully you guys are not too bullish during this environment. And that is it for me. Again, I do believe we will begin our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 descent all the way down into, excuse me, I do believe we will begin our descent all the way down into this area over here, roughly 200 billion. Yes, that is a very big drop. That is a drop of about, let's see here. Looking for my measurement tool. There we go. That is a drop of about 70%. We could have a 70% drop. Keep yourselves at low risk. That is it for me. Good night. Good night, fellas. And ladies, for those ladies who are out there.